Hi everyone, my name is Tori and this is my first video on this channel, my so-called keto life. And I just wanted to introduce myself, tell you what my channel is about. So basically, I have been doing keto for almost 2 years. Throughout that time, I lost 55 pounds, which is great. It was a huge accomplishment. But honestly, there have been ups and downs, and I've struggled, especially during holidays, as the sad things that's happened in my family, the loss of a family member, loss of 2 family members. And so it's been on and off a little bit between those struggles, those downs. And so I've wanted to get right back into it now that I feel motivated enough. I'm sure I've gained, honestly, like 10 of those pounds back, which is sad. But I know I can do it, and I just wanted to create a page where I could be held accountable for those actions by sharing it with the outside world. It would help me stay more accountable. Not only that, it will help the community. If there's a community, they could help me, I can help them by motivating each other, by also sharing different experiences, sharing our stories, what works, what didn't work, what might work for others might not work for you. But either way, it's still an opportunity for us to help come together as a community on the keto lifestyle, because it is a lifestyle. I say it all the time, it's not a diet. I don't follow it. It's the only thing that has been successful for me over my life. I have struggled with my weight forever, and I hate it. I really do hate the fact that my whole life has been like a weight loss struggle. I have always been chunkier, chubbier, whatever. I look back at those photos and I wish I looked like that now because I obviously gained so much weight and did so much damage to my body now I wish I looked like that. But at the time I felt chubby. And so since the young age of 13 or so, I feel like I've been trying to diet one way or another to lose weight, and this was the only thing that's really been successful, to the point where I've almost done it for 2 years and have kept most of the weight off. So I want to continue that because I feel like it's one that I don't feel so much of a sacrifice for me. It's a diet I overall enjoy as long as I have the time to cook the things for myself. Eating out has been a struggle for sure. But anyway, that's what this is here for. This is what I'm hoping to create with this first video, and with every upcoming video, is to share what I'm eating, what works for me, and hopefully have people share with me what works for them, a quick fix, a quick meal that they have as a solution to keep themselves on ketosis. So thank you for being here. I know that it's my first video. There's going to be very few views and very few comments, but I'm hoping that we can help each other out over time and help this channel grow. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like it. If you like this video, leave me a comment, any type of comment. Hopefully positive would be nice, but I will try to answer each and every one of you. Thank you and have a great day.